Hey guys, hope your subitizing has been awesome this week. Just to refresh our memory, subitizing is when we use our eyes and we are able to quickly identify or know what a number is without having to count each one of them. So, if we're using a dice or cards, or we see things in our room or in the house, we want to be able to quickly identify what that number is. And so, I wanted to show you one way that you might see subitizing is in something called a 10 frame. Now, here's a 10 frame. You might recognize these from kindergarten. It is a frame that has 10 spots on it. We have 5 on the bottom and 5 on the top. And so this is just another way that we can subitize is by using a 10 frame. And a 10 frame just organizes our numbers for us. So it's nothing too complicated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dots in here, but I'm going to switch the spots around so that you can see different ways that you might see a number. So for example, you might see the number 4 looking like this, just 4 across like that. And so I recognize that, that is 4. Or you might see 4 look like this. And that's still the number 4. Just because they move position doesn't change the amount of dots. Just like if I stand right here, I miss as harder. If I stand here, I miss as harder. If I stand back here, I miss as harder. It hasn't changed. So let's try with another number and see if you can figure out what number it is. It's 4. Another way that we can show 4. Still have 4 dots, but they're just spread out differently. All right, let's try another one. Let's try it's 6. I know that it's 6 because there's 3 on the bottom and 3 on the top, and I know that 3 plus 3 is 6. Now, it's kind of hard to check when it's really quickly because they're kind of spread out more, and that's okay. That just takes some practice. I'll show you another way that we can make 6 that you might have seen. Like this. We have 5 on the top and 1 on the bottom. 5 and 1 together makes 6. So it kind of brings in some addition too, which we'll be getting to here next week. So as you guys are going about your seesaw lessons today and your activities, you might see some 10 frames with your subitizing, but now you just have a little bit more reference of what that's going to look like. It's just another way to show our dots or images or objects, just another way to show you how to subitize.